Hello everybody. Today we'll be talking about the most useless social network in India, Tinder, and the Indians on it. Tinder एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे हर तरह का नमूना मिल जाता है. So if you're bored and wish to see the lengths that Indian guys will go to find their better halves, or in reality just to get laid, then let's take a look. Unfortunately, I'm not on Tinder, but you can find another Arjun on it. As he mentions on his Tinder profile, he doesn't happen to have the perfect body, but he has the perfect heart and brains. And that's what matters, right? So girls, if you're ready to settle for an ugly but honest man, go for Arjun. As Russell Peters would say, take it and go. People have fetishes for various things nowadays, may it be porn or movies. So if you have a fetish for Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, then you'd love Rohan. This guy can fight with a sword in his fucking mouth. Girls, with one rape happening every 10 minutes in our national capital, you really want a guy that can fight with a samurai sword in his mouth. It's not something that you see every day, so that's why he's our top pick for today. But if you believe in love at first sight, then you have to check out Sharang. This guy's name is actually Sharang. Wow, so hot. And if this picture of his didn't make you fall in love with him, then this surely will.
I'm gonna smoke the ganja until I go blind.
Now, if you want someone who has 100 hashtags on his Tinder profile, because that's what cool people have on their social profiles, then you want to go for Kanishk. His Tinder profile mentions that he is hashtag friend-loving, hashtag passionate, hashtag ambitious, hashtag sweet, hashtag good-looking, hashtag creative, hashtag dynamic, and hashtag stronger? Stronger than who, Kanishk? Stronger than who? The next candidate on our list is Prince. My friend has a dog called Prince. Anyway, Prince owns a Facebook VIP account apparently. I'm sorry, I'm allergic to bullshit. Also, if you were illiterate and thought that he was faking, he has a barcode to prove that it's real. I don't think that Mark Zuckerberg has a Facebook VIP account, whatever it is. If these people don't seem interesting to you or you don't have the hots for them, then I would like to tell all the cute and single girls out there that I am always available. And here's my number. It's 1-800-HOTLINE-BLING. Okay, sorry. We would also like to give a huge shout out to Red Wolf, an amazing online store where you can find all types of cool products such as tees, posters, fridge magnets, badges, laptop skins, and sweatshirts. You can also find official merchandise for Bhayanak Moth, Nuclear, Demonic Resurrection, and AIB at Red Wolf. Whoa! And possibly even Idol Bakchodi in the near future. Red Wolf also gave us this cool Big Bang Theory t-shirt that you can see me wearing. And please go to their website, it's linked in the description below. Check their products out and be sure to use the coupon code SEXYBOY to get a 10% discount on their website. Cause who's sexy boy, guys? Do let us know through the comments below if you have come across similar bakchod people on Tinder. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. If you disliked it, hit dislike. If you liked it, hit like. And share it with your friends, follow us on Facebook, and show some love, motherfuckers!